One developer just completed a 100,000-line code migration in 30 days. A project that would normally take a team of engineers months, possibly a full year. The developer ported an entire code base from TypeScript to Rust, which is one of the most difficult refactoring tasks in software development, using an AI coding agent called Claude Code. This isn't a demo or a proof of concept. It's a documented case study of what AI coding tools can actually accomplish at production scale, and what still requires a human at the keyboard. So here's the story. A developer named Christopher Chedeau, who goes by Vi-Joes online, documented his experience porting a massive TypeScript codebase to Rust over the course of a single month. For context, TypeScript and Rust are two very different programming languages. TypeScript is built for web development and runs on JavaScript. Rust is a systems programming language known for memory safety and performance, but it's notoriously difficult to learn and has a steep learning curve. Migrating between these two languages isn't just about translating syntax. It requires rethinking the entire architecture of the code, how memory is managed, how errors are handled, how data flows through the system. This is the kind of work that typically requires senior engineers, extensive planning, and months of careful execution. Chedeau used Claude Code, Anthropic's AI coding agent, to handle the bulk of the mechanical translation work. The AI could take chunks of TypeScript and generate equivalent Rust code, handle the repetitive transformation patterns, and work through the code base systematically. But, and this is the important part, the developer documented exactly where the AI succeeded and where it needed human intervention. This is significant because it's the most concrete, measurable proof of what AI coding agents can actually do at production scale. There's been a lot of hype around AI coding tools. Just recently, Cursor implied their AI agents could build a working web browser, but when analyzed closely, those claims appeared to overstate reality. This case study is different. It's not marketing. It's a documented project with real lessons about what worked and what didn't. According to the developer's analysis, AI agents excel at mechanical transformation, the repetitive pattern-based work of converting code from one structure to another. But they struggle with architectural decisions, the high-level choices about how systems should be organized. This tells us something important about the current state of AI coding. These tools are powerful accelerators for certain types of work, but they're not replacing software engineers. They're changing what software engineers spend their time on: less mechanical translation, more architectural thinking and oversight. Going forward, watch for more of these documented case studies. The gap between AI coding hype and documented reality is closing, and we're going to see clearer patterns emerge about exactly which types of development work AI can accelerate. Also worth watching how this affects project timelines and team structures. If a single developer with AI tools can do in 1 month what used to take a team several months, that changes the economics of software development significantly. That's another example of AI reshaping how software gets built. If you want to stay on top of developments like this in AI and tech, hit subscribe. We cover these stories as they happen. See you in the next one.